alive, isn't it? Oh, that's why I'm not praying, but that's why I'm examining you and I say, you have this, which is an obligation for deliverance. So if I allowed you, if I send the angel now that bring from room number 5, on the left hand side, there are babies. Have you ever seen the hives? The beehives? Yeah, if I'm room number 5 here. Malaika room number 6, we call him from room number 6 on the right. He comes on the left hand side, room number 6, in the middle section of the African gender heroes. Now picking a man. Wasanga ngamuli wa munono. Oweka so bero no mukwano mungi. No soka. Okwewa ayo mwami wo. Ngomwakala nyo ofuna omwana mulenzi malaika asura mwana kuba mu wawatro. Na yesi ngomusajja mukwano sawa yakubulira nabasanga kusingekwe sawa yo bakusoka mwana okumuruba olwatu luno wewe ndabo bameka bakoliyo yakala naye basanga nga mwena babiri mwe muli mulefemu y'omukwano babasulira abaana balongo babiri muwala n'omulenzi Amega wali kutegera. Bemutya draw. Chiringa mukisawe. Omubera ku buliri awo muba muli ku kisawe muli kutu. Wali abatokera ku line ku. Cho. Amega wali ketenge bwendu n'okirimira. Katonda mukasinga amanyindi ya mutego kamabere kati kuza katonda muzei ote wasibwa alakunda no mukasi nondeko kamabere kamulimo ki oja kukola application yawo oja kukwata runodiro lwa mutwalo ote ko tokerandi mabere kufa kunguru paka pantu na mabere na genda kula beliana alifuruma. Yes, sing on the cross. Apply on the cross. What we are going to make application on the cross. Musaraba, tugenda kola application. Takwate chiwewa yecho musingi mutwalo mba come on. Ebindiko byonna kupowa kulupaka wansi. Omusiramu ndo hala kwa jiparu. Come on. Omukatuli jimba come on. And ebindiko kuva kulupaka wansi. Kufa mukono kwa kono paka kwa dio. Yone mbiwayo eri katonda mwenyini sobolera. Obayo ndisobolera. Okwate chiwewayo kyo kino. Siringi mutwalo 8 mu sacrifice yo nokola machwe come on. Yona bifeko machwe. Obikwasa abo pase katonda ebitsibu byo. Wera likirira ogenda kulaba outcome is perfect. Ewakati kyolindirize kyokka okwokera byoyagala era n'ebirala byotamanyi oyogera ndi byonna muzeeyi bwe mbibala sibimalayo naye ebiri bingi bye neetaagawo mwenyini yamanyi omulekerero are you ready to go tugende bameka abali kumbi okutwala application zaabwe application bwe mukola ku nsi muteeka mu info mpasha zigere genda musuule no ninjire wano ne musuula application bameka bakola di application ndikiwete yes bameka bali nange wano mama ekwe watu omwana mu lubuto yes esatu she killed Ziban wife has a case of committing suicide with a baby in the womb 3 months. She committed suicide with a baby 3 months. That child was of which man? Answer me. You want to deceive me that it was this man?
No, it's not him. But when you said 3 months, it wasn't 3 months.
No, you first answer. Which man? Now you want to touch the question. But when I ask you, what do you eat? You just tell me that I was always go to the lottery. Is that the answer? Answer directly to the question. The child whom you killed was of another man, not of this one. Answer yes or not. No, don't talk about the months. You may not know the months. Heavenly counting is not your counting. But in short, no, you fast. But understand me. Did you make an abortion? Whether 10 months, whether 3 months, whether it's 1 month, but for us we know what type of creating the sin is. The sin is you acquired was beyond 3 or under 3 months. When it is above 3 months, there's another case. When it's below 3 months, is another case. But I mentioned that you killed a child in the womb of 3 months. Is it true or not?
Yes.
How many months?
1 month.
But that is under 3 months. Every 3 months, a child